So on the tiny house project, I'm going to try something new. I am going to redo these countertops with some paint. So I'm going to start with sanding it down, so you need something to sand with. First is going to be a primer. The second is going to be a textured paint. The last step is going to be a clear enamel. So I put this matte clear finish on the countertop, and I'm not super happy with how it looks. So I'm going to do this polyurethane and see how it turns out. It's definitely glossier, but it's still wet. So we'll see what it looks like when it dries. Using spray paint was an inexpensive and easy way to redo a countertop. The countertop felt very rough prior to putting on the polyurethane gloss coat. By doing that, it made it feel more like a smooth surface. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this project, and the best part is, it cost me less than $30. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to stay with us on this journey and get updates, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.